Ito baon natin guys, mamayang lunch. Chicken nuggets. Ito pa maluto. 10 minutes pa siguro. Ano, dapat na maluto yung nuggets natin guys. Pang 10 minutes na lang siguro. Sige na to. Ito na lang. Ilang piraso na lang. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers in the world. Magandang morning. Was out, was out, was out. Shout out, shout out, shout out. All the loving mothers in the Philippines, sa anak ng aking mga kapamilya dyan sa Pilipinas, down to Paratong, Bacnotan, La Union, to Baroro, and to Isabela, lahat ng aking mga kamag-anak. Enjoy natin yung araw na to, mga mother, and be safe. Malapit na. Oh. Pa. Guys, salamat sa panonood. Subscribe our channel, Praise the World Cover TV. youtube.com, mga buhay. Happy Mother's Day.